Hello, my name is Jimmy Costello from the Designcenter product marketing team. Today we're going to be looking at the new work offline functionality available when you are working in managed mode. Designcenter X features built-in data management powered by Teamcenter X Essentials, providing the foundation for this managed environment. It's all about ensuring data integrity, streamlining collaboration, and providing a single source of truth for all your design data within a secure and controlled environment. Imagine you're on a flight. Maybe you need to go to the shop floor to collaborate with manufacturing. Or perhaps you're visiting a client site with limited internet access, but you still need to make progress on your design center projects. That's where work offline functionality comes into play. We understand that staying productive shouldn't depend on a constant internet connection, especially when you're dealing with complex design files. So we've developed a robust way for you to check out your work, disconnect, make your changes, and then seamlessly sync everything back up once you're online again. This means less downtime, more flexibility, and ultimately a smoother workflow for everyone on your team. Jumping right into things, the Work Offline group of commands can be found within the Teamcenter tab. Here, we will have all of the tools necessary to create, manage, and later delete our offline workspaces. To start, we will begin by selecting New Workspace. We will be prompted to choose which parts and assemblies we need to check out and make changes to while working offline. It's important to note that these changes can include everything from geometry and attributes to critical documentation like drawings or model-based definition. You'll see that any parts that are already checked out by other team members will be already marked as not modifiable. We recommend checking out any parts you might need while leaving unnecessary items so your other team members can still make changes while you are out. On the flip side of things, our teammates can see which items that we have checked out, enabling full traceability. We will finish by just clicking OK, and all of the files we selected will be downloaded to our machine. Before we continue, I want to point out that if at any time we want to add to our workspace or refresh our workspace, these commands are available within the Work Offline group. We can continue on now by selecting the Go Offline command, and Designcenter will reboot, this time ready for us to work off-site or away from an internet connection. After Designcenter is back up and running, you'll notice we have the same look, feel, and experience as before. This means you can still create new objects to assemble into your design or start new drawings just as you would while connected. The only real difference is when we reopen the Teamcenter tab, where we will see all of our commands have disappeared now. Here we simply have the option to load different workspaces we may have previously created or reconnect when we are ready to go back online. I'm going to proceed with a few design changes while I'm offline so that we will be able to see how everything integrates back in later. Work offline functionality significantly boosts productivity, allowing you to keep your projects moving forward no matter your network availability. It removes the need for a constant internet connection, enabling you to work effectively from any location, whether that's a remote site, during travel, or in areas with inconsistent connectivity. This flexibility means you can maximize your design time and meet project deadlines without interruption. Now, with our changes finally finished, all we have to do is save and then navigate back to the Teamcenter tab to select Go Online. Once again, Designcenter will restart, this time with restored Manage Mode functionality. Upon loading back in, we have a few final steps before we are finished. First, we will want to utilize the Save from Workspace notification to ensure our data is properly uploaded and synchronized with Teamcenter, making our changes available to the rest of the team and maintaining that single source of truth. After that, we will move to checking our parts back in. This will allow other team members to pick up with the design where we have left off, helping push forward the design process. And lastly, with everything finished, we can go ahead and delete our offline workspace, as we have no more need and can free up local storage space. Beyond that, deleting the workspace also prevents accidental modifications to outdated local versions, ensuring you're always working with the latest data from Teamcenter. It's a great way to maintain data hygiene, keep your local environment organized, and ensure compliance with any security protocols for sensitive project data. In conclusion, in this video, we have reviewed the essentials for working offline with Designcenter Managed Mode. We began by creating a new workspace to contain the parts we plan to work on offline. Next, we took our design process offline and made the design changes that needed to be completed while we were away. And finally, we finished off by checking our data back in and deleting our workspace. I would like to thank you for your time and attention.